Hello everybody, this is what the IKEA Malm Bed looks like, fully assembled. This is the Malm Bed, the headboard with these Lonset slats. Very cool. All super well assembled for us. Look at that. Wow, we can remove it. We can see below. Extremely well built bed, not easy to assemble, so we hired a famous YouTuber to assemble it for us. Stay tuned to find out who he is. Yes, very solid. You can see me sit on it right now. Yeah, or lie on it. Very awesome. IKEA, strong, and together with the bed we got in 2 drawers, very functional and useful. Drawer 1 and drawer 2 over there. We didn't get 4 because it's not enough space in the room for the other side anyway. So here you have it, the Malm bed. Bye bye.